Decision metrics. So we're talking about agentic systems a lot, but very often you don't need agentic system for some typical task like quality research. It can be done via prompt engineering or implementing appropriate RAG or fine-tuning. And just want to understand that building agentic system is the most prone to failures, is the most complex and most expensive way to conduct your automation of your workflows. So for anything that is quick task that you understand well-defined outputs, are like prompt engineering is like your way to approach the automation. And very often the automation is like very, very carefully crafted prompt that's well designed and achieves the goals that you need. So whenever you need to add additional domain data, any kind of information, any data, it's when RAG is the tool that you want to go for, because it enables you to ground your responses to particular knowledge and information. And it most of the cases fails when your RAG is not architected well enough. So I would suggest, kind of especially for the beginners, not to try to design the RAG systems themselves and rather use something that works out of the box and has proven use cases. Because the RAG, while in theory it can look straightforward, hey, just ask my data. Like from the design architecture themes, good RAG really needs like well thought through process how to design it. So when you need the outputs to be consistent, specialized, and it's you have like a lot of expectations of how consistent the outputs will be. That's when fine-tuning is a great tool, and it like works great when prompt engineering is not enough, and that can often be better than building your agentic system, believe it or not, because it's like much more straightforward to prepare a data sets of input-output samples and fine-tune some general purpose LLM to behave in a particular manner, rather than building a complex agentic system with weights and balances that will likely be over-engineering for your particular purpose. So whenever your goal in the workflow is multi-step workflows that is equipped with multiple tools, that involves several steps, that involves like complex additional reasoning, weighting, it's like when you would likely want to go the most expensive way of implementing actual agentic system. And the most typical failure point for agentic system are insufficient guardrails. So because of hallucination, for example, if you haven't lowered the temperature for some decision-making node in your workflow lower, it can go like in different directions that you're not intended for. Because of prompt injection, you can overexpose your security into particular like threats that you have not like accounted for. So there are so many things in agentic systems that can fail, and there are like no good ways now to navigate them, that it will be kind of by default the most expensive, the most complex, but at the same time, the most powerful way to use and deploy AI.